I think if you were to use one of a number of cliches, a roller coaster, a seesaw, or a yo-yo, you could take your pick. They're all correct. This Tuesday has seen another extremely volatile day of trading across the board. Let's bring the figures up for you now. And as you can see, they're all ending in positive territory this Tuesday after a rather dramatic session again. Not quite as dramatic as what I think people were dubbing a manic Monday yesterday. But Greece very much dominating the tone there. It's very much the driver in what's happening in the markets because everyone's worrying. What happens if Greece doesn't qualify for its next tranche of bailout money? It's waiting for $8 billion. If it doesn't get that money, what's going to happen? Well, it's going to run out of money as soon as next month. That's the answer. Now, different language from Germany today. Germany's finance minister, if you remember yesterday, as well as the Dutch finance minister, were using rather taboo language up until this point, talking about Greece leaving the Eurozone, talking about default for Greece. It's a rather different set of words today, and we've had Angela Merkel telling her officials to choose their words a little bit more carefully. She's saying that she thinks Greece is making progress, that it's making some headway towards meeting its obligations. She and Sarkozy are set to speak again tomorrow. They're not going to issue a joint statement today, at any rate, because Nicolas Sarkozy, the French president, is meeting the European Council President Herman Van Rompuy in just a short while from now. But the German Chancellor Angela Merkel is also going to be speaking to the Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou. They're going to hold a teleconference, and that's helped investor sentiment. People are pleased to see that steps are being taken, but everyone is weighing in on this crisis. You've had Barack Obama telling the Europeans, sort your houses out, show some leadership, put the debt crisis absolutely as the top priority. That's the number one economy. The number two economy in the world, China, telling Europe, sort it out. We want to keep our Chinese investments in Europe safe. They want assurances that everything is being done to mitigate all the debt problems here in Europe. But they are saying, Beijing, that they're confident that Europe will handle the problems. But then China came back into the discussion again earlier in the day because there were some rumors circulating that Italy was speaking to the Chinese sovereign wealth funds with regard to perhaps getting them to buy up some Italian debt. So
Italians even confirmed those rumors.
Absolutely. So looking very much like there is some hope that China will be the savior of all of this. So as you can see, an awful lot for investors to digest, but on the whole, they've ended this Tuesday session on a positive note.